School St Magaret Higher Secondary School, Laim Khur Shillong, Kalayo Raya Kakadan Meningkong, a Meghalaya Board of School Education Secondary School Living Certificate, Araja Arpsan. School St Magaret, Kalayo haduh tylli Kardan, haka top 20, Jong ke Embos SSLC, haka Kardan Meningkong, Layo Daka Leisha Garwal, Jong ke St Magaret, Bat ke Avila, Catherine Pilingdo, Jong ke North Liberty High Secondary School Jowai, haka ba Kilia Samlang, Yaka Kardan, Bahakli Do, haka examen SSLC, Mentau Snem, haka ba Barwa Arngut Kilayo Sanspa Prapuar Marks, ke Jingpas ki Kana School Mentau Snem, Kala Kiubha, Lada Yanujor, Haki Snem Bladem. Ke percentage Jong ke Jingpas ki Kana Mentau Snem, haka exam matric Kalong, Prapunyo Point Shipo percent, ke percentage ke baki Kana, ki pas house nem Baladep Kalong Sanpusan Point Prapo percent.
Yes, at the start, many teachers were around here. I saw some teachers crying, even shedding tears out of joy. So it's a matter of pride for us. And we are very happy that we got 7 positions in the state. And our neighboring school, who are our sister school, like Little Flower and Stephen Memorial too, has received 2 ranks and 1 there. So overall, we have 10 ranks in our province.
So what is your message to
Work.
teacher?
There is no other substitute to hard work. So you have to have sleepless nights. You have to put extra efforts. You have to forego your games, mobile games or whatever games you want to play, and you have to put effort. Then you will get good result. 106 of them wrote, all of them passed. Yeah.
A very good morning to all. Myself, Lisha Agarwal, and I am from St Magaret's Higher Secondary School, and I'm very happy to announce that I've got the first rank, first position in the MBOS merit list 2025, and it is a very overwhelming moment for me. I mean, I'm still in shock. I couldn't believe my eyes when I, submitted my roll number and saw my results. It was a really, shocking moment for me. I was like, it's me who got 97. So I told my mom, and we both were just like in surprise for like a moment or two. We were like, is this really, because since I entered class 10, I always visioned myself that next year I will be giving the exam, and one day the results will come and I'll see myself in the MBOS top 20, and that dream coming true is it's something very overwhelming. Even right now, I have been just like tears shown from my eyes from that time, and I'm like, control, this is happening for real. I was telling myself, my heart, my brain is like, this is true. And I want to give all my thanks to my teachers, be it my school teachers and my tuition teachers, because without their support this would never be possible. And even my family, they have supported me through my dark times. I am a very nervous person, so they were there for me, telling me that everything will be fine. All thanks to everyone who were there for me in this journey. It's not a journey of my own, it is a journey of my school teachers, my tuition teachers, me, my friends, my family. So all thanks to them and St Margaret's. Thank you is not enough for that, how much that school has given me. And the teachers, their teaching, not only in school, they have taught me everything. So all thanks to St Margaret's, because this wouldn't be possible without them, without the teachers, without our principal. So all thanks to them. I'm really, really grateful, and I'm really overwhelmed right now. It's a dream come true, and I'm really, really happy. Thank you, everyone. And I just want to say, if you vision something, put all your hard work, be concentrated, then you can also achieve. That is my advice to the upcoming batches. You don't need to be scared, you don't need to be nervous. Just take it easy, go with the flow, just be consistent. Consistency is the key, as they always say. So I'll just say that participate in everything. Don't, forget extracurricular activities. That is also extremely important. But be consistent, and that is the only way. Take your studies. Don't take it as a hectic, duty you have to perform. Please just be happy. Do whatever you do in a happy way. Study nicely. Gain knowledge. Don't just, memorize things. And yeah, that is the only thing. Thank you so much, everyone, for your support, for your everything. And I'm really grateful to St Margaret's, the teachers, my tuition teachers, who really helped me through this journey. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, very good. But I expected you to get the first or second. That doesn't matter. 6 is very good rank. Okay. Okay. Congratulations.
I didn't expect such a good result, but I'm happy, very, very happy.
How is the performance of all of the school, St Margaret School?
Very good. Like, I have been studying in St Margaret since class nursery, and I know everything. St Margaret is my second home after my family. So this is a very different experience that I got this, and I can make all the sisters and all the teachers proud. I'm so happy.
So, what is your next step now?
Probably take humanities and prepare for different competitive exams.
Well, here in the school only, or in some other school?
Some other schools, I'll try in every school.
How was your preparation for this?
I will say we need to trust in God before we trust ourselves. He is the one who will help us always. And if talking about preparation, I'll say to be honest with oneself. Like when we are studying, we should not get any other distraction but only study. If we are studying for 2 hours, we need to study wholeheartedly in those 2 hours. So I think studying wholeheartedly and honestly is like what I followed. I think every student should follow that.
Ranchita, also, if you can tell us the contribution of school in, in your result.
First, the teachers are here brilliant. Like, if one word, brilliant. Like, they taught me everything. If I have any doubt, they are always here to help. I think the school community has always encouraged students to participate in extracurricular activities as well as keep studies in a balance. So I think how sister has taught us, how the teachers have taught us, is just impeccable.
Okay, how many hours did you put in your studies?
If I have to say, in the first few months of when the academic session of 2024 started, I studied for 4 hours maximum, but till like the last few months, 16.
Nga man ang today. So long excited among team to go party because nga tistam hate ang ka baga tistam jang akan pau mo ba hakibri even bini ba kikikir tistam ha.
Como que been creating the exam?
Sing been creating nga ka sang last year here lo January sang tuition pasal ia maths tuition dan tu kakot ba kun tu dan hanga te kam be ta hakapor ba kakot kam shung ta hakapor ni ka no kakot ha ta ni sisi ke atra ben pindak ka bangala ke jing thumu ba po mo nga sabo di ni te kam ta
Kini ka guidebook, kini ka siyang guidebook. Project ng balance. Ano ka achieve?
Hakas ni kasi am guidebook kami ang po ko jing ting ka ting ke ni kaya na kayo notes ang job.
Kung kisko halo ka kajik tumi ko sarkar pa kini ba feel his subject ke kila na pia ba humi. Kung kisko ka
So to kasi
kani ke initiative ba ka government ka meet manta ba kini ba feel penta balanta kini ang muli ka exam sisi humi. Kung kisko
kabahagi ki ka encourage ki but pursue ki dreams ki ran ki khina ki bam nong start mo ban pali ne ki tibet pare ha ki we ki pat ki kam kum ting ki na ban dry ki na ban ten ne ki na be ti ka ta ka ya ki ni ki but le ki we ki chai kam ki activities mong on extra curricular activities ti kum ta ki implement ki mo ki ta ka la